Okay, so we have a client here. It's going to be a tough situation. She purchased a vehicle and she was talked into getting this. It's called EG Assurance VSC. This is an additional insurance for the vehicle for $3,995. Now, here's the problem that I have with it. And that she has with it is that she wanted to cancel that once she figured out what it was all about. And she contacted that place and they said that she couldn't cancel it. And if it's an additional insurance, you do have a right to cancel it and they have to refund you for the months that were not used. That's how that's supposed to work. They're claiming that she cannot cancel it, and so she had a problem with that. And then she contacted the dealer, and the dealer just didn't respond to her calls. And the dealer's sales rep that sold her the car didn't respond to her calls. Also, I see a problem with a so-called tire fee for $60. They charged her a tire fee to put for the tires on the vehicle. That doesn't make any sense. So now and also there was a service fee, which is they throw those types of things on there for $3.99. So what we're gonna send to the dealer and to the insurance company is that she wants to cancel it. She wants a refund for what's not used. Now, what we're thinking their response is going to be is that the insurance is part of the loan, but you can't put the insurance as part of the loan because then that would take away for what the real financing of the vehicle was. She put $12,000 down on the vehicle, so the vehicle was $32,375. After putting $12,000 down, with the taxes and all of the stuff and the add-ons that they put, she owed $27,130. So all of you that know math, you can already see that there's a problem with that. So we're gonna send a letter, demand letter, to get this insurance canceled and get whatever we can get refunded for, and then have some questions about this tire fee and anything else that we see that's wrong with this contract. This is with a dealer. This was not a small dealer. This is one of the larger dealers in our area. So we'll have to see what they're going to end up doing to try to help out this customer. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, what makes us different, so you can see my 8-point validation process and my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website the3scores.com. All the links are below this video. And if you have debt collectors coming after you, grab my 3-pack of letters, statute of limitations, debt validation, and cease and desist collection activities letter. All the links are below this video.